clock with the laser fits just right. Boom. You know? Yeah. Boom. Rengue right there. Boom. Okay, let's change the subject for today and let's talk about my new item, which is the quick access pistol safe right here. And this is going to be something that I will be putting close to me, you know, put a pistol in here. And so let's see how this works. Right here comes with these, but it requires 4 AA batteries, so we'll try to see if we can make that fit in here. This is this thing right here, and then just start putting the batteries in. Right. Alright, let's start putting it in here now. Let's see if we're able to. Okay, got it on. And then start putting in the code, figure out what you want to put. I finally set it up. It was a little tricky, but there's just a green button inside here that you press, and now it's all set up. So now I could just use my finger to open. Boom, just like that. Or I can use my code, or if I lost everything, I could just use my keys again right here, right, to open, just like that. Now it's time to go ahead and set this up with this, right, this thing right here, which is gonna go, I believe, on this side. You just put it on like that, be like this, hanging like this. Okay, so I have to decide where I'm gonna put this safe. Instead of putting on the bed, because I don't want to hit my head right on the bed, I'm probably just gonna put it like on something like this, so that I can connect it next to the bed. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm just gonna mark it here before I start drilling. Make sure before you start drilling that you're gonna put like a old t-shirt or rag right here, so that, you know, it won't get too dusty. Okay, once you figure out where you're gonna put the holes and you drill them, you know, try to use, you could use something to try to make sure that everything is straight, like this thing right here. Okay, now I got all the holes drilled. I don't know if you could see right there, and now I just gotta tighten out the screws. Make sure all the screws are tight right there. So now this is ready to go, and I can put this thing on top and then see how that works as well inside right there. Could be a little tricky trying to install this, but you just gotta look for the slots that will fit here. Finally got it installed, as you could see, but it looks like it's kind of shaking a little bit, because I don't know if you could see right there, there's like some space and it kind of moves. So I don't like that it shakes. I'm gonna put like some padding on this side right here, on that side, so that way it won't, hopefully it won't move. So I'm gonna go do that right now, see how that works out. So I'm just gonna put some padding right behind here. Let's see if that helps. Boom. Right, it's not double-sided, it's just one-sided, because I don't have to take this out, so that way it doesn't have to stick to the wall. I just need something to pad, so that way this won't move so much. Right. Okay, that helps a little bit. I don't know if you could see it right there. It helps a little bit right here, if you could see it. Boom, see, it doesn't move as much anymore. So there it is, the Rengue quick access pistol safe, finally installed. It was a little trickier than I expected because you have to line everything up. Once it's in, you can either use your passcode, your key, or your finger, right? And now, boom, easy access right there, you know what I mean? So just for all those would-be intruders, just gotta be careful. You know, not bad for a bargain safe right here. This should do the trick for now. It's more secure than just leaving it under your bed. Boom, open the gun here. You know, easy access. And you're getting a foam inside. That's what you're getting, just a foam. You could just put like a, I guess a regular size gun would fit in here, you know. And mine is just a Glock 19. You can put any gun you want. Just make sure it fits. Right here, it fits even with the laser. It still fits. So boom, just like that. You don't want to use the Glock. You can also use full-size P226 by SIG, and it should fit in here as well. A little tighter, obviously. You know, but still fits. See, so it still fits even with the SIG. So there you have it, the Rengue bargain quick pistol safe, which you can fit a compact or a full-size gun. Hope you guys got something out of it. Till next time, stay safe and keep on rolling.